Welcome to Teach Notes. This video will describe how to easily import a large number of students from a Google spreadsheet. So first tap on the plus button at the bottom right. And then again, this is the Manage Student and Classes screen. Tap the plus button again and select the Google Sheets option. And here we're going to now switch to the Google Sheets. And here I have a column for a first name, last name, ID, and a student email. You can also add parent emails if you have that as well. And what you want to do is, when you tap your finger, you'll get the box. You want to highlight just the data, so not the actual header column. And then you just tap the corner of the box, which has a little blue circle, and you want to drag it. It can be a little bit hard sometimes. And drag it just to highlight all your data. So here I have the data highlighted. Then go ahead and tap anywhere in the blue highlighted data quickly, and you'll get the option that pops up there, and you want to select copy. And once you're done that, you want to switch back to the app, and now I'm going to tap the load data from clipboard. And right away, the data appears magically in the app. You now have to assign columns of the data, so I'm going to assign first name, last name, ID, and student email. Once you've assigned all the columns, if you happen to have data that doesn't belong anywhere or just extraneous data, go ahead and just put ignore. And then you're going to tap the Save To button at the top. And now you have a choice. You can import the students to a class, or you can just import them to the master roster list and then assign them to the class later. I'm going to choose class 1. And then you'll see right away there, I have the master roster as the 4 students and class 1. So when I come back out here, I have all the students added. So very easily, you can import a large number of students. Have a separate sheet for each class if you do know the classes, or you can just import them to the master list and assign them later. All right, I hope you find that easy enough to get students into the class and into the app.